Men are taking too many photos with the models. Whichever country go, men are men. This is Toyota New Crown. Total model change. This is how Japanese people attract children towards the cars. Looks like a outer space vehicle. Wow, see these cars. These are Ferraris. This is like a Batman car. డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను మీ జపాన్ సైన్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? మీరంతా బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటాను. ఇవాళ మనకి ఇక్కడ జపాన్ లో మోటార్ షో అని జరుగుతుంది. మొబిలిటీ షో అంటారు అనమాట. ఇందులో కొత్త కొత్త కార్స్, కాన్సెప్ట్ కార్స్ అని చూపిస్తున్నారు. సో మనం వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం రండి. డజంట్ లుక్ లైక్ ఎ కార్. This is a driverless car. There's no driver here. There's no steering. There's only cameras. See all the cameras. So many cameras. All these are cameras. And you see camera here. And see all cameras here. See the Honda cycles. This is the battery to charge the cycle. See, this is the battery. These are the small scooters where you can go in the town on footpaths. This can be foldable. You can just drive, you can sit, it's a battery. Moto Compacto. It's like a small suitcase. This one will become like this.
It just went on sale in America.
How much it costs?
$995.
It's so cheap.
Yep. I think it weighs about 45 pounds.
Oh,
When it's closed up, I think it goes about 12 miles.
12 miles in one charge.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's like, throw it in the car. Yeah. I think it's going to be a big seller in America because it's like
So
a
light.
toy. People
Yes,
think it's cool. I read a review. The guy said he's 5'11", which is 2 inches taller than me.
Okay.
He said he was totally comfortable on it.
But the seat is so small.
It adjusts up and down. Yeah. Because it has to fit inside.
Okay.
Yeah. So he said it was fine.
So in kilos, how many kgs? Kgs.
The weight of it?
Yeah.
Under 20, I think.
Just 20 kilos.
Yeah.
Wow.
Maybe slightly less.
Mm.
Yeah, I wish we could pick it up, huh? You can't touch anything.
立っている人と一緒に使うとき、目線の高さが同じくらいになることで、自然にコミュニケーションを取ることができるんです。続いて、2つ目の座って乗ること。ただいま私、座って乗っておりますが、
EV scooter. But you can take out the battery. You can take out the battery. The battery you can see here. This is the battery. You can put in the bike and use it. In the same way, you can see in the van also, you can replace the batteries. You can see 4 batteries this side. There are 4 batteries the other side. So it's a Honda E technology. See this electric bike. So cute. It's a Honda Pocket concept. This is also delivery for the delivery. For newspaper delivery, some delivery you can use it. IDO. And this is the company name. Let's see how nice it is. They're showing the flying car. Now we are in Toyota Pavilion. This looks like a Mars or other outer space vehicle. This is Toyota New Crown. Total model change. Looks so beautiful. So strong, powerful. It's a Toyota new model Land Cruiser. Coffee shop. This is Daihatsu in 1931. In 1957 Daihatsu. 1977 Daihatsu. 1980 Daihatsu. 1999 Daihatsu. 2002 Daihatsu. This is I think Daihatsu truck. Square box lag on the chotani. Looks like a square box. Hydroponic inside the truck. So up to now we saw only one hall, like that 5-6 halls are there. More than that. Now we'll see like Isuzu Group and the trucks. This is the truck area. This is a fuel cell truck. This is a EV bus. In Tokyo, we are using these buses normally past 2-3 years. So guys, we came to a different place, that is the West Hall, and here we can see only the spare parts or spare part suppliers. This is the AC inverter, 1500 watts AC inverter. This is the concept car, Lexus, Toyota Lexus, ROV concept car. So this company make LED lights. So this company provides the lighting. Smart technology for smarter mobility. Single driver, 48 watts. This is called a micro utility vehicle. Oh my God, see the springs. For the Harley Davidson, Suzuki, Honda, they use all this. How powerful, how strong. So many things are there. It's all, Japan is too much advanced in all these spare parts, vehicles. It's all like shock absorbers. Virtual reality theater. So many people, they are kind of blindfolded and showing the virtual. I prefer to see reality than the virtual reality. This looks very interesting. See inside the car, obviously. One big door, one small door. It's funny little bit. See the steering. I don't know how you can drive with that. So I came out and they are selling foods in the kind of food trucks. I don't know how to call them. Now we came to a different hall. This is Tomika Takara Tomy. They make small toys, concept car samples. So they make something like this. You see the designs. It's all made of metal. It's not plastic. And they are not cheap also. You see each one costs like 700 rupees, 800 rupees. You see, these are all the models. Wow. See the robot. It's like a transformer. Not sure for what it can be used, but looks so great. See, this is a flying car, supercar. It's a flying car. You see, these are all the rotors. It's like a drone with a human being in the middle. You can fly with this like a helicopter. So you can get into it if you want to. It's called AirX. See the blades. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so many are there. It's real working flying car. This is Aston Martin. Looks nice. The British car where the James Bond in many movies used. It's Aston Martin. This one is a concept car, no driver. Driver ఎవరు ఉండరు దీనిలో. ఎవరు లేకుండా అదే డ్రైవ్ చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. This is how Japanese people attract children towards the cars. They made a kind of a pyramid. These cars are real, very well designed, all made of metal. It's really heavy. It's each one like 800 yen, 900 yen, something like that. See each one. You see how the kids are liking them. These are Ferraris, Tokyo supercars. This is Ferrari, another Ferrari. Looks nice. Don't know the price, but at least it will be like 3 నుంచి 5 కోట్ల వరకు ఉంటుంది. జపాన్లో ఉంటాయి, ఇండియాలో ఎంత ఉంటుందో తెలియదు. This is the Aston Martin. Wow. See these cars. This car is really low. You see, it's almost like sitting on the floor of the road. Men are taking too many photos with the models. Whichever country you go, men are men. All the men are taking photos of these ladies. Wow. See the Lamborghini, a Porsche. Porsche looks great. Wow. This is like a Batman car. ఇక్కడ ఇవాళ జపాన్ మోటార్ షో అనే దానికి చూడటానికి వచ్చాం అనమాట. ఇది మొబిలిటీ షో అంటారు. ఈ టోక్యోలో బిగ్ సైట్ అనే ఏరియాలో జరుగుతుంది. చాలా కార్లు, తర్వాత స్పేర్ పార్ట్స్ ఇవన్నీ చూపించారు. మోస్ట్లీ ఏంటంటే ఎలక్ట్రిక్ వెహికల్స్ అన్ని చూపించారు. చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంది, బట్ చాలా పెద్ద ప్లేస్ అనమాట. ఇదంతా నడవటానికి కొన్ని కిలోమీటర్లు పడుతుంది. ఇక్కడ కనీసం కార్ పార్కింగ్ కూడా దొరకట్లేదు అనమాట. చాలా కష్టం. కొన్ని లక్షల మంది పీపుల్ వచ్చారు. సో జపాన్ సాయి ఛానల్ చూసిన వాళ్ళందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు. చూడండి మీరు నా ఛానల్ వీలుంటే. థ్యాంక్ యూ. హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే. బాయ్. దిస్ ఈస్ జపాన్ సాయి.